So what is the conduct of police that is routine, and when is it negligent? When we come to the initial stop, invariably, they are always justified. Traffic offenses and the like are the usual reasons why we get stopped. What happens usually is you or I, if we happen to exceed the speed limit and are told to pull over, we pull over. Some drivers who are either have outstanding warrants and all they did was speed will take off as soon as they see the siren in the rearview mirror. And that's when the standard of care for police conduct is triggered. One of the key things is, what does the police officer know at that moment? Not what they learn about the individual they're pursuing at some later point in time. What do they know in real time? And that's a key thing that one has to focus on. Like all things, policemen are no different than doctors. They have to perform their job in a non-negligent manner. So, a pursuit on a country road, which is wide open, is going to have one standard. A pursuit in North Philadelphia, in a densely populated area, a police officer has to be thinking, one, what am I chasing, and why? And in Philadelphia, we have this standard. It's called Directive 45, which teaches officers, and it's a directive, it's not optional, that they can only pursue under certain circumstances. Serious crimes, a felony. If they have probable cause that a fleeing vehicle has a hostage, well, all bets are off. I'll give you a little bit here. So this is one camera in the initial pursuit vehicle, and right when we get up to this intersection, the next guy who's being radioed, hey, I need help, is going to take over, and the video will literally switch to the view in his camera, of his car. There he goes. And this goes on for literally 18 miles at high rates of speed. The guy's going about 95 miles an hour, and throughout the chase, there are numerous hairpin turns that, in most cases, miraculously didn't kill anybody. Again, this guy doesn't know what he's chasing. It could be the guy who tried to kill Ronald Reagan. It could be the guy, who robbed the local grocery store. He has no idea what he's chasing. He's risking his own life. He's risking everybody around him. Again, like I said, you need the right experts. You need to creatively amass the information and do it in a concise way that really presents a coherent storyline of what occurred. Thanks very much for listening, and appreciate the time.